A lot of new companies have come into the space of helping insurance companies with technology underwrite policies better. We've seen a lot of examples evolve in the marketplace. Phoebe, you've created a company called Brolly that's helping consumers understand a lot about what their current insurance landscape looks like. And certainly as a consumer myself, I often have no idea what I'm insured for or not insured for. How does Brolly tackling that challenge?
We really started with some of the genuine consumer problems that we saw in the market. I mean, to sort of take it at a macro level, you've got billions of pounds worth of overspend every single year. So customers spending money that they simply do not need to be spending because they're not paying attention to it. A huge market of underinsurance, so consumers are not actually covered for what they think they are. So we really started with the premise of how can we bring clarity so that customers understand, actually what they're buying, knowing that they are actually covered, and then helping them to find ways to optimize their insurance. So making sure that they are moving around the market when they need to. One of the things that we see fairly frequently is price increases. So at Brolly, we capture historical insurance information. So when a customer sort of signs up to our platform, we would get, say, their last 3 years home insurance, and we can see, okay, in the last 3 years, your price has gone from £200 to £400.
And there may not have been any reason other. You may actually be a lower risk profile, but your price has gone up.
The main reason is you've stayed loyal to your insurance company, which deep down we think that's wrong. It's the new customers that get the best deals, and there's a lot of inertia in the market and disengagement.
Because changing is a pain.
Exactly. Yeah.
The technology you've rolled out so far is taking advantage of big data sets, and you've got all kinds of unusual, unique data sets that you're bringing in to make these assessments and help insurers design better product. What are some of the unique data sets that you're using?
So we very much start from who is this person? So when a customer comes to our platform, we ask them about their lifestyle, their financial positions, and we have an algorithm that creates an ideal insurance portfolio. When customers are uploading historical information, we have hundreds of providers that have been uploaded. And one of the main sources for that is connecting email inboxes. So we scrape insurance information from emails and populate historical accounts. So that's really interesting data. And often, through that we're uncovering a lot of discrepancies and inefficiencies. So customers that have bought 3 travel policies and they haven't even realized it. So we're trying to bring those things out to light and make that more visible to people where it's not.
Well, and as you build that trust relationship with consumers, that's going to have a lot of value to insurance companies. So is the plan for Brolly to be to exit to a big insurance company? Are you going to become an insurance company yourself? What's the long-term plan?
Right now we are managing 70, 80 different insurance product lines, and we are thinking about how do we price this risk more accurately using the additional data sources that we have. So ultimately we are moving into the area of designing and curating insurance products that just fit into people's lives rather than them buying something standalone. So yes, the long-term vision is very much to either have our own balance sheet or work with, insurance or reinsurance company that's able to move fast enough that we can, build and ship products to customers as we need to.